Oh.
Anti-inflammatory properties, which are good for decreasing the redness from sun exposure. It has vitamin E listed as tocopherol acetate. This is a major plus for this product and something that I definitely want to mention here. So when vitamin C and vitamin E are paired together, they are both more effective. So they synergistically work together to inhibit the acute UV damage from the sun, as well as chronic UV photoaging that can lead to skin cancer. I will mention that there is also isopropyl myristate in this product. I'm not going to say much about this ingredient right now, but it is a controversial ingredient in terms of its ability to clog the pores or being comedogenic. Some people will swear that this ingredient clogs their pores, but this is not definitively proven. It is added to products to improve the moisturization of the skin. I absolutely love how moisturizing this product is and how it feels on my skin, and that is in part due to this isopropyl myristate ingredient. Here are the ingredients that are notably not in this product. Fragrance. This is a fragrance-free product. There are also no parabens in this product, so there are no concerns there for those that always seek out paraben-free products. Ferulic acid is not in this product. I always check out the ingredients labels for vitamin C products, and I look for vitamin E, ferulic acid, and Phloretin because they can elevate the product's effectiveness. Ferulic acid is a well-studied ingredient that is known to stabilize vitamin C in products and help them work more effectively. Seeing ferulic acid in the ingredients really just increases my confidence in the product. This vitamin C serum does not have it in it, so that really is one of my main drawbacks here because I think it misses its full potential. At this point in the video, you may be totally committed to trying out a vitamin C product for yourself, and I think that's great. So here is exactly how you will use it, what to pair it with, what to avoid pairing it with, and what step to use it in your routine. How to use it. This should be used up to once daily. I don't generally recommend using it more than that. Once daily is plenty. Pair it with a low pH cleanser, especially those with oilier skin types. This can work well and have the lowest risk of irritation, but do use caution because a low pH cleanser followed by vitamin C is more likely to cause irritation or stinging, But I tell you this because this is a way that you can make sure you are optimizing the absorption of vitamin C into your skin and therefore getting more benefit. Cleansers that lower the pH are things like salicylic acid cleansers or glycolic acid cleansers. I am going to be linking my favorite pH lowering cleansers below for you to check out. One of them is CeraVe SA Renewing Cleanser, which I did a whole other product review on, so you can check that video out. This is a true fan favorite cleanser. Now, if you want to avoid potential irritation, it is still okay to use this with a gentle cleanser that is closer to the physiologic pH of your skin. And I'm going to link below some of my favorite gentle cleansers as well. Just make sure that you are not using this after bar soap or any other soap-based cleansers, because those are much higher in pH and will really cancel out the benefits of the vitamin C. Again, ingredients to pair with this: vitamin E, ferulic acid, Floritin, hyaluronic acid, even in a serum form, to help really pull the product deeper into the skin. And most importantly, please pair this with a sunscreen for maximum sun protection and anti-aging benefits. So antioxidants like vitamin C cannot take the place of sunscreen, but they can boost your overall sun protection. Research shows that when you combine vitamins E and C with sunscreen, you can maximize your sun protection. So this is a powerful combination in the fight against visible aging and skin cancer. My current favorite sunscreen that I'm using right now is Australian Gold Botanical. It's 100% mineral and it's tinted.